Hello?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. This is Dewey mother. You see, I'm not a bagger person here, so I don't have no time for this because I'm at work.
Yeah.
The power of attorney. She put her mom name on it and put my old address. So why you doing that? That's a fraudulent document. Because that's not where her mother live. So I tell Dwayne, don't sign no document. People talking, they don't know the half of this, you know.
Oh,
They don't know the half of this, you know.
okay.
I can't talk in my house to my son if she on her phone. She expects me must go out a door like me live somewhere for her. I don't live nowhere for her. If I get up in the morning and hear my son quarreling with she, me gonna ask him what the fucking thing is happening. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this shit. This woman is such a wicked and liar woman. Because I try to help her in every way I can. The other day when she was supposed to come to America, I was the one who get the things prepared for her and send her to the embassy. She pay her money. I didn't pay no money for her. I paid the money for Dwayne to go to embassy to get his visa. And the same girl that I hook up Dwayne with is the same girl I hook her up with, right? Dwayne get her visa. She don't get her visa because she had 29 felony. You hear me tell you, girl? Girl, me a decent girl. Me a decent mother for my picking. You hear me tell you? And me a fight for my picking. Me buy my house and me put him on it. No boy and no girl can't take him out of that. You hear me tell you, Jojo? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's a whole heap of thing to this, you know. Can me talk to her mother and her brother yesterday, you know. And a whole heap of thing, you know, Jojo. A whole heap of things you see she depend on the quiet crocodile tears and I come and tell lie. The mother says she no get no threat.
Oh, God.
Oh, the mother called me yesterday and tell me, say, Odette, me no get no threat. I lie, the girl at help on me pick me. You hear me? There's a lot of things to this, you know.
Okay.